More cement has arrived. Okay, so we got the 6 boxes on. Okay, so you can see from here now 6 more pillars have been done, and then there's 3 more to do after that. But they still have to reinforce the columns, the wood. Okay, so they've filled 1, 2, 3. They're filling the 4, 5, and 6 now. So they've finished filling all these columns here with cement. Here we are. They've moved all the scaffolding now to prepare for these 3. These have all been boxed and filled with cement. For Monday they will unbox them and they will move them here, and then they'll be filled, and that will be every single column done. And then we'll move on to the beams.